Selective laser sintering, or SLS, provides production-ready parts that are full-strength, injection-molded part replacements, which opens up a ton of ways to speed your time to market and reduce your costs. If you need dozens to hundreds of plastic parts, skip the injection mold tooling completely and build your parts as you go. There are entire product lines in the market today that are built entirely using SLS printed parts because of the amount of variability that the product requires in the interface or the product specifications. If your part quantity needs are variable over time, or if you don't want to order in huge quantities that you have to then store in inventory, SLS gives you a flexible way to print only the parts you need when you need them. For larger volume production, you can build end-use prototypes and early production runs and send them out to the field as end-use parts to get feedback on the final design. This allows you to delay the investment of tooling until you've gotten that critical feedback from customers, and you can better gauge the market for your product. Plus, it lowers the barrier to change, allowing you to iterate more often and avoid settling on an imperfect design because you already cut some dies. Trust the experts at MLC CAD Systems to find your perfect solution. We'll help you identify opportunities to save time and money. We'll match them up with the right technology for your needs and budget with proven platforms from Markforged and Formlabs. We'll help you understand the full cost to implement and operate, and we'll teach you how to find new opportunities to use it to improve your bottom line going forward. From printers and materials to training and on-site support, we're here to help you be truly successful using additive manufacturing in your business.